Oh, come on, bro. Bring him in. Bring him in. No, bro. Bring him in. Bring him in, bro. There's rocks right there, but just bring him in over it because if you stop, he's going to go between those rocks. All right, Jamaican shore fishing. Good morning. So I'm walking into the fishing spot this morning, and I didn't really feel like coming here this morning, but I did anyways. I was gonna go to a different spot, but some way, somehow, just told me to come here this morning. So I get here this morning, and I'm passing the security, and security's like, "Oh yeah, you got company. Somebody's here fishing already." So apparently, I think Brian's here. I don't see his car. Well, who knows? Let's see what's up. But I'm just taking my time and trolling in. As you see, I have my head cam on already, just in case of action right away. And just taking my time, cruising through this path, and heading down to the spot. Oh, I gotta watch my rod. Shit. Hate when that happens. Early morning, I don't like to make noise, especially passing my houses. You don't want to disturb anybody anyways. So, stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. I just got on the spot. I heard somebody else was down here fishing. I don't know who is, but you know us at Jamaican shore fishing. We come to get busy working and get a video for you guys. Let me get my phone away. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. First cast, guys. Let's see what we take up on the first cast. Something's moving after it. Long jaw. Oh, long jaw. There he goes, guys. Small long jaw. He's just a little, quick little fella. They see it. Something else big will see it. Get a stick. That's how sharp these hooks are, guys. I'm not ready to get wet yet. Well, I'll get wet in a second. Let me get in there. Sometimes you get one or two casts, and you get something right away. Sometimes you don't. Sucks. Let's get over here. See if I can get along these trees. Get down that way. Having an early morning step in the water here. It's cold. Not really. Got my water shoes on. Just gotta be careful of these damn eels. They'll come out and get you. Yeah, they have this thing about them. When they're in holes, they get real defensive. Getting chased by long jaws. Little snappers. Let's get this way a little bit further, guys. Damn, I left my watch. They ate that? Oh, puffer fish. Yeah, that lure ain't swimming good now. Yeah, guys. Definitely taking you guys on a different level with this. See, this is what happens. Your hook get caught on your line, so the lure don't swim good. So you gotta just clear them up sometimes. It's not much of a problem, but you know, sometimes it gets annoying. Sometimes it happens back to back, and you can't control it. So just gotta pay attention to your cast. Watching the water behind me. This action normally happens off that drop off too, but there's also some barrows in here. Grass. Drats. Scare the hell out of me. Gets you nervous sometimes. But there's lots of bait fish here. So something's happening off here. And the water is very low here, so I gotta be careful. Don't get hitched up on the roots. Right? Grass and roots. You head to the deeper end, guys. This is real shallow going back. I'm sure there's a few barrows in here if I should walk up to there, but I'm not even going to try that this morning. We'll head down a little further this way. If we don't pick anything up, that's it. Water's low up this side. There's a drop-off that goes off the ship. It's all babies through here, what I'm seeing right now. I'm not seeing anything big. Rolling through, guys. It's not that deep, but you still got to be careful. There's some drop-off here because of the tide changes and current changes and stuff like that. And then the rocks here gets real slippery too, so you got to be extremely careful when walking on these. Yep, long jaws feeding. Oh, there goes a small barrel right there. Real small. He's not that big, but you know. All right. Slow tide, like I said, guys. Look at the little bugger chasing it. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. Chasing it. See him, guys? That's how they operate. The ambushers. He's swift. Look at him. And he'll just grab it. That's how they are. They're very aggressive fish. So, there he goes right there, guys. He's right in the water right there. Right below the lure. You can see him. Nice sized barra. He's hunting down the snappers. You can see him. He's just hunting. He's just waiting for something the right size to grab. And that's how they operate, guys. Anything that passes their path, whap, it's a wrap. So, that's what's up. But we're gonna aim for something bigger. Not really into that. Let's get up and get further down. Long jaw that was over here feeding, guys. But that sun is in my face. I don't like it when I'm fishing and the sun is in my face, because I cannot see in the water properly. And one of the things with lure fishing is you want to see your lure swimming in and anything chasing it. I like to see that. I just see coming to the water. I see the fish moving. I see the lure. So I come in at a pace, guys. Coming at a good pace. Adjust it a bit, make sure. We'll go around this tree and then we'll cast out a little bit more. Yeah, somebody got line set down there. Alright, we got something feeding right there. I see big fish jumping up. So let me get out of the water. Yeah, somebody got line set down there. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Yeah, guys. It's been a hectic week. Busy week. Get in here, guys, and see what I can get in for you guys. Try and clear the bushes off my lure. Fish sees that, guys. Any leaves or anything, debris on your lures, they see that. And they don't like that. Secure my line real quick. Go through some bushes around here. I'm gonna have to go under some trees and then come back up on the other side, which I hate doing because it kind of knocks my camera off all the time every time I try to. Taking our time on hunting. This is what it's all about, Jamaican shore fishing. Getting out here and seeing what we can pick up. What's up? Morning. That is it. What's up, bro? You good? Alright, cool. You know, they see this. Anything that's on it, they see it. So you gotta take it off. I hooked some big tarpons down here one day, 3 of them back to back. I'm talking about 80 pounds, one right here. Big thing, man. It's crazy. I hooked my biggest barracuda here.
Right over there.
Right over there, I hooked
Yeah, man,
him.
I saw that video.
He was 11 pounds 56. One of my on land, my biggest one on land. Everything else that I've caught along this stretch been 18, 20 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'm gonna walk over there and see what I can pick up.
Yeah, man.
There's always some barracudas in here, but there's a drop off. But it's coming in more and more.
Want to drop off?
Yeah. It was further out and it came in another 20 yards. I'm talking good distance, bro. It's right here right now. The drop off is like from that tree, it's like maybe about 10 feet.
Because I realized I walk out there and throw it. But because I'm throwing shrimp.
One of the big rock fell off of there. One of the big flat stones. There was another flat one that was on the edge.
Because it look like there's a sewage draining right somewhere there.
Yeah?
Yeah, right. Where you see the white? Yeah, man. This one will come, I can see on this bench. I went over there and saw it.
Oh?
And when you go down, you see some white stuff in the water. So I'm not sure if it is sewage or something is soaking along that.
I think it's probably on the pier, the water that's washing, because stuff wash up from over there and come on this side.
Oh, but you can actually see the water running from under there, like a spring.
Probably one I pipe, boss. Because of the thing fell on it.
Yeah.
On the, what do you call it again? It undermined. It undermined. You tell when the lure not swimming good in a look, see? That's when it's not swimming good at all. The hook up on the line.
Is that?
This is about quarter ounce, 7 grams. Yeah, 7 grams. I could smell it, yeah.
Smell it? Yeah, man. I went over there and saw it right where you see the white one.
They're talking about the wall?
No. Yeah, man, right? Where you see that part like it collapsed in the water?
Yeah.
Look.
Where the dirt fell off?
Yeah. Look, right there, you see some white stuff.
Yeah, I see it.
Right there.
Undermining, huh? That's crazy. I'm gonna go up on the flats though.
Yeah, man.
Go out that way and see what's up.
I think I told my line.
But you're off the drop off.
Yeah.
But the best place for you to drop your lines up there by that old ship. One old ship up there, so.
Oh.
So you walk along the side and walk out in the water. And right on the old ship, you just drop off right there. Yeah. It's structured. There's more fish there. Trust me, you'll get something. Just walk. Look now. Just go straight up till you see one white chair. I want old ship in the water. The line will go off. Line will go off. Line going off. Something's hitting your line. Look. Set the hook. Take off that and set your hook. Here, guys. We're recording. Set your hook. Set it. So just set your hook. Just set it. You got it. Just set it. Set the hook, man, and pull him up. Pull up your fish. Pull up your fish. Here, guys. Come on, bring him up. Bring him up, bro. Remember, there's a drop off right there, you know, so that you can't hitch up and stop, you know. You have to continue, you know.
Yeah, but it's still massive.
Yeah, bro, work it. It's probably an eel.
Yeah.
Bring him, bro. Bring it. Bring him, bro. Don't let him sit down on the ground. Bring it. It's an eel. From I seen the bite, I kind of figured more or less. Go ahead, bro.
Big one.
This is your video. Come on, bro. Bring him in. Yeah, this is what's up, guys. Jamaican Shorefish is not catching fish today, but subscribers catching fish today, guys, and it's just spontaneous. As we say, we don't ever plan anything, and this is what's up. Come on, bro. Bring him in. Bring him in. No, bro. Bring him in, bro. There's rocks right there, but just bring him in over it, because if you stop, he's gonna go between those rocks. Bring him in, bro. Bring him in over those rocks, quick. Just bring him in. Wind him up, man. Don't hitch up on him. Don't stop. Let him work, and then he's gonna get tired. Just work. Don't let no slack in that line. None time. No slack. Just work it, bro. Work it. You coming. Go ahead. You doing it. He's coming. He was far out.
Yeah, man.
Don't stop. Just don't let no slack in that line. No slack. No slack. No slack in the line. None time. Wind up while you're pulling. While you're coming back. You should be going right back right away. Come on. No slack.
Stop.
Come on. No slack. Don't stop.
It stopped.
What do you mean stop?
Not moving. None talk. Stuck.
Well. Well, you can try and move around now, but bro, I would even. You made him go into one of the rocks.
It's a big fish.
Yeah. Let me see what's up. Pull it.
It's a big fish.
And then you have it on the wrong side too. You stop. You see when I meant don't leave no tension on it? You see this? Look. When you bring in a fish, this is the tension you keep on your line. You don't let that fish off.
I'm gonna go around and see.
Yeah. Take it. But keep tension. Don't let off the tension. Just
okay.
Wind up tension on it. Oh shit, shore fishing. Oh, it's got dirt all in my feet. Try not to fall off this will undermine. You can see him?
Yeah, man. But beneath. Drop off his head right there.
Yo, bro, there's a big ass rock right there. Look. No, he didn't go below the drop off. There's a hole that he found right there someplace.
Yeah. Big eel.
There you go. Got him. There you go.
Stingray. Stingray, man.
But look, we got him up though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Get him up back. Don't let him get his head down. You see, once you got his head up, just keep his head up.
They feel big, man. Me too.
Well, you got something.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, you got a stingray. Look at that.
I need to take him off.
Got a nice stingray. Watch that tail. You can bring him up. Come on. Bring him around. Bring him right there. Let me help you out. Just watch his tail. Watch your tail. Watch your hand tail. He's going to start flapping around that tail. That tail is very dangerous, bro. So first thing you do, anytime you're handling these bad boys, is step on their tail.
Oh.
See it?
You have a pliers close by?
You step on their tail. Shore fishing always got his tools. And just secure their tail, because what you don't want him to hit you is hit you with that damn that's perfect. Alright guys. So this is how you handle these guys. You step on their tail, you get that hook out, and then you secure them and get them back in the water. If you're not going to eat this fish,
No, man.
don't kill it. You know what I mean? That's how it is, guys. So grab him by his tail, the edge of the tail, before the spur, and just, yeah. No, man, don't worry about it. Just hold him right down there. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, all the way down there. Lift him up with the tail alone. Careful, you know. Just lift him up with the tail alone, bro.
Slippery one.
It's real slippery?
It's slippery.
All right, this is what's up. Hold on, let me help you with that. I normally do it like this. I try my best not to hurt myself. Let go. I got him. Yeah. Let me just get him back. He's in.
I don't know, some nice grunt or something.
Safe release, guys.
And
Look,
look, Jack.
he's gone.
Jack.
Yeah. I'll get jacks.
Some nice.
Oh, damn. Look at those.
Whoa.
Drummer, drop your line right there, bro. What are you waiting on? Drop your line right there. Right there, right there. What are you going all the way down there for? Drop it right here, so that you can see the line when the fish grab the line. Drop the line. Right there.
Hook.
No, bro. Look. Right there. Leave it, leave it. Let the big ones grab it. Look, the little one's going to make after, but big ones grab. Look at that size snapper. Just leave it right there. Just keep on right where you see the fish at, bro. Don't throw your line way out. They're there. Look on the jack I grab it now. Look, see snapper come there now, no? Him get hooked.
Small. Small.
Look how him get hooked now. You have line 9 mouth already.
No, man.
Yeah?
No, man. I use something, a kind of thread that you use to make the shrimp tight.
Oh, you tie it on.
So
Look at the snapper size there. Whoa.
If you want to drop line and have shrimp.
Who, me? I didn't bring any drop lines with me. I do drop line in, but I just didn't come out for that today.
Okay.
I can hook up a rig real quick, you know? Oh shit, look at this. Mr. Barra's chasing my line, look at him. You see him? See Mr. Barra right here, sir?
Oh. Small one.
Yeah. And Jackfish is all excited. Let me get this line in the water out here. I might end up getting something monstrous this morning. Activities over here. Yeah. Right, look at these snappers. Snappers like war on this side. 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna set this line deep and use the other rod right here. A smaller hook.
Hold on, let me see if I can get one of these bad boys.
Look.
I got hooks in my bag.
Look right there.
What that?
Where you see the white?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
I seen it. Where's my hooks at? Let me see if I can get a hook out real quick, guys.
You want some?
Yeah, I'll take one. Let me see if I can get a hook out. I just want a hook. Just gonna. I got hooks. Homeboy went to go get some shrimp. And we're gonna try that out real quick. I've seen some snappers under here, some mangrove snappers. It'd be nice to catch one of them. Cool, man. Let's get him hyped up. Let me see what he's gonna do. Look, get them hyped up. Get them hyped up. You chum the water. Get them hyped up. Everybody's hyped up now. They're into a feeding frenzy. Get them in there, yes. Yeah, man, y'all getting used to the food now. It's food, yes. It's food.
Oh, they are coming up.
Yeah, man, that's what we want. So, it's called chum in the water, friend. Show you a little technique. Put something more appetizing for the big snappers. You see them big snappers running around? Even the barra, everybody's running around that now. So I bust the shrimp in half, right? Look how I pin it now. Watch around them now. Jackfish, moving them on. All y'all doing is picking the bait off. Come on, snappers, what are you doing? You let me down. Snappers, what are y'all doing? Y'all are fed or something? Of all fish to backside, guys. Look at this. Wrenchy. But I guarantee you this Wrenchy can catch a barra. Barras love the excitement, you know, watch. Come on, barra. You don't want to grab it? I got wire lead. I was just waiting for him to grab it. The thing is with wrenchmen, not many fish is gonna grab them.
No.
Yeah, he's following it. It's a little ass wrenchy too. Look at him. Look how he get hooked.
Right, thank you.
Grab a piece of rag and get rid of him off this hook. Oh boy. You see one of the jacks on the line now? That's a different ball game. Barra will go for that. Just one of them look one to grab it, you know. I can pick him up, you know. Then I set him back out for Barra. Look, he's caught. Oh damn. I didn't set the hook properly. Them the blue runner is not grabbing, it's just the friggin' whatchamacallit jacks. Amber jack or whatever, I'm not even remember the name.
Jack Carnival, something like that.
Carvelli.
Yeah.
The Carvellis, that's who's grabbing the damn line. The blue runners are not even trying to hear it. Snappers not trying to hear that shit. I go fishing this, you know? You know that, right?
Yeah.
I call this idle fishing. I'm out here making a video. I'm supposed to be making a video for you guys subscribers. And I'm out here idling with messing around with snappers and fish here. I wasn't drop line fishing, but I just started messing around, guys. Nice size snappers in here messing around. Over 8 inches. So they're legal. But whatchamacallit, I really came out to do lure fishing. So let's see if we can pick him up on the lure.
You mean I go right here, right here?
Yep. You get a whole lot of fish up there. I've seen these Chinese guys come around here all the time.
Yeah, guys, so it wasn't. Yeah, there's some nice snappers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them back here, but they're not picking up. They're just. Yeah, these fish are just mocking me, guys. I ain't catch nothing today, guys. Not feeding. Yeah, we're gonna head out this side, guys. Not getting any pickups here. Not feeling it at all. We'll head up the line, guys. Hey guys, so moving off of there, not much action going on there. I wish I was on the other side. I'd probably get more action, but ooh, little small barra, grab it, guys. Little small barra just chased it a while ago. He's right there. What's up, man? What's up, man? See him, man. Oh yeah? I just had one nice one chase the line a while ago. Not big, but you know, there's a couple of them right here.
Big fish?
About 12 inches.
Barra?
Yeah. He's small though to me, but there, guys, cutting back up top. Not much luck going on down here today. To me. Hey, oh, this way. Can sit right here. Put all your stuff right there. Set up. Drop your line off the drop off right here on the edge right there.
Yeah.
Or you can set them over the ship.
Over the ship?
Yeah. Just know that if you're gonna take up your line, you have to go walk out the feet and just wind up.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Putting too much shrimp on that line too. You're basically giving fish something to grab. Yeah, nail here, guys. It is what it is. Didn't catch anything today. Got a snapper right there looking at me. So I'll go and put a drop line, yeah. Hey, oh, something good in the morning around here, no? Oh, something decent, a decent jack or snapper around here in the morning.
You thought up there was a better spot?
Hmm?
You thought up there was a better spot?
It is a good spot. But here is where I see a lot of the drop lines happening.
Okay.
It's because all I bought them clean their fish and everything in that line, yeah. Everything float over. So. Normally take the shell off ice shrimp and cut the shrimp in half. That's what I do.
Oh.
I drop line.
I track them more still.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Me see you, man.
One barra?
Me hear you. Me hear you. Look a while. Me hear you. Me see you. Me absolutely hear and see you. Yeah, man. Know what you're all about now, man. I'm coming for you. I just heard you a while ago. But the water there is real shallow, bro. I hear him slap up against the side there, look a while, you know. But him sounds small still. A bait fish in that area. Yep, see him there? Low, bad. Well, I'm gonna head in.
Getting in now?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna head in. I got so much things to do this morning. I just try to get out here this morning. Try to get out and make a video.